On the right. On the right.
From where parents could select these authentic storybooks, or parents can take their kids to the authentic spaces where these storybooks are available, which kids can select, which are unbiased and feeding directly into the imagination of the kids.
Publishers are not doing justice, and my generation has really failed our country. Okay, we I think don't have many publishers who are publishing conscientiously. Okay. We are publishing. And for instance, in Katha, we have a threefold bottom line that we look at. First is a social bottom line. We say that the book has to bring change in the thinking of the child towards a more heterogeneous, a more inclusive, a more non discriminatory world that we want to live in. So this is our bottom line, a social change where the stereotype can be changed. And I started Katha in 1988 with this as one of the main things that you want. Many people have different bottom lines. Okay. The second bottom line is we have a green bottom line. We plant trees for the number of trees we cut to make our books, because we cut a lot of trees and that's horrible. So anyway, we plant trees. The third is the financial bottom line that we have. You can see that we don't make money from our books, but our books are there in a lot of libraries, and I was told last time that it was in 8,000 libraries. I don't know. So but the thing is that when you are giving books to a library, you are not charging them anything. If they can pay, they take it. So non-profit libraries are very good places where you can go and find books. And if you are able to buy books for your child, then think about the books that you have bought which your child has outgrown, to donate these to a non-profit which is working in that area, so that other children can enjoy these books and other children can find these books. Okay. So that is one thing that we have, where we are looking at where can we find these books. Okay. So a bookshop, very good place. If you have connection to a huge marketplace like Amazon, yes, Amazon, Flipkart, all these are good places that you can go to. But
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे पॉडकास्ट चैनल पेरेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। ये हमें मोटिवेट करता है हम चैनल पे और गेस्ट को लाए। ये एक ईजी टास्क नहीं होता है, हमें टाइम लगता है गेस्ट से पार्टनरशिप्स करने में, उनके साथ ब्रेनस्टॉर्म करने में कि हम कैसे एक पेरेंट की मदद कर सकते हैं, हम पेरेंट को सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं, उनकी जर्नी के साथ ही बन सकते हैं। बट अगर आप हमारा साथ देते रहेंगे तो हम भी मोटिवेटेड रहेंगे, एनकरेज रहेंगे कि हमें अलग अलग तरीके का कॉन्टेंट पेरेंटिंग पे, चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट पे, स्कूलिंग पे लाना है, और सब पेरेंट्स की यहाँ पे फिर सब पेरेंट्स को यहाँ पे सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करना है और उनके लिए इस पेरेंटिंग जर्नी को ईजी बनाना है।
uh, I think if you can get children to write their own stories and illustrate their own stories, and we grow their knowledge, we take them from one step to another step. And here, Piyush, I want to say that we work in rural Tamil Nadu, and we work on the other side of what's called the Pulikat Lake. So Sriharikota is on one side, and our villages are on the other side. Okay, so they are all fishing villages. They are all irregular and oppressed communities that we work with. All of them are oppressed communities. So when Chandrayaan went up, the children shared that same sky. So when they looked up, they could see the rocket going. Okay, so we got all the children to come out, and they all looked at the rocket, and they said, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want. So the very next week, we changed the curriculum for them. And the curriculum was called 3 to 1 and Off I Go. And it was a whole exploration of our Earth from the point of view of space. It was, if you want to go into space, if you want to become an astronaut, and you want to be an explorer of space, what should you do? So we said, okay. So we said that, we made up a story, and then now the children have written the story. That's going to become the curriculum for our children next year. Okay, so this year they wrote the story. 24, 25, they wrote the story, and next year is going to become their thing. And when you do things like that, when the children write their own stories, they become very good at it. So, for instance, now they are doing one story called Kokilavin Arputa Pane. So, that story is about, a pot. But the children have changed everything in that thing. They have taken their own lives, they've taken the potters that are there in their localities, in their rural spaces, and how they are making a pot and how that pot becomes a wonderful pot. So you see, what happens is a story which can take very many forms, and it can transmute very nicely. So when a child takes a story and says it and owns that story, then magic starts happening. Okay. So if you're working in areas where you can buy stories, then choosing the book, read the story before you buy the story. Look at the illustrations. Look at what is behind the illustrations. Many times I've noticed, the front of the illustration is, the focus point for illustrator. But uske पीछे क्या है? When I look at that, you might find that there is maybe a glass of milk with a fly hovering around it. Now you don't want that as a message. Even a lateral message that's going to a child. हमें वो बैकग्राउंड को हमें देखना है when I'm looking at. So you have to be very careful because books are expensive. एंड व्हेन आई एम बाइंग अ बुक आई नीड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल कौन सा किताब मुझे चाहिए, कौन सा कहानी मुझे चाहिए, नॉट इवन किताब, कौन सा कहानी मुझे चाहिए. सो आई एम सेइंग ओके, इज दिस अ फ्लैट स्टोरी when the child starts at point A and finishes at point A? Or is there a challenge and the child is going with the protagonist? There is a challenge, and the challenge is sort of giving questions in the minds of the child. And the child is saying, ये क्यों हो रहा है, कैसा हो रहा है, क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. And then there is this little dip over there when there is despair, when we are saying पता नहीं वो क्या करना है, कैसा करना है. And then the child learns, and then the child goes from this level to this level.